We've got the new model 82H-XR-125. This is the DC powered lift version. The main focus of this product was to lift the drum beyond the front wheels. It'll handle any drum with a suitable rim up to 600 pounds, so steel, plastic, or fiber. And I'm going to show how it lifts a plastic drum onto a spill containment pallet that's about 14 inches high. On the panel here, I added a battery gauge for the power level in the battery that's inside here, a DC disconnect switch, so you turn it off and all the DC power is disconnected, and then a panel mounted outlet for charging. So just like our standard 82, it works the same way. The jaws lift the drum with the top rim. You can see it's not that hard to push around, even though it's about 1,000 pounds total. So this is the main goal of the product. You can reach out over a curb or a pallet or a wall of some sort and set a drum beyond. It'll reach 4 inches from the front wheel to the drum is how far it'll reach. And step down floor lock is our favorite type of floor lock for holding the unit in place. Easy to use and it works really well. So to get the drum off, you do it in reverse. This DC pendant control is somewhat portable. You take it off the hook. It's got a magnet that holds it here and also a hook to secure it. And you can stand around here and get a better view while you're lifting. The 82H-XR series has 3 positions for the head. The first position, for example, will get your head in the range of 22 to 46 inches. And then each position above that is another 6 inches higher. But to move the head, you remove 2 nuts and lower it to the position or raise it to this position and re-secure the nuts. So we have the 82H-XR to reach out in front of the wheels. It's counterweighted. The counterweight is bolted on and not welded on. You can change the counterweight in the future. Capacity is 600 pounds, and it has extra large casters and wheels for easier maneuverability.